How to enable or disable music and sound effects. First of all, open the game on your device. Once the game loads, tap on the three horizontal line in the top right corner to access the game menu, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Sound Settings option and tap on the Customize button next to it. Here you will see two slider options, BGM volume and SC volume. To disable music and sound effects, drag both sliders to 0. If you want to enable them, drag both sliders to 100. After adjusting the settings to your preference, exit the menu. Your senses will take effect immediately, allowing you to enjoy Sonic Rumble with the exact audio experience you want. Now you know how to enable or disable music and sound effects in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.